Why this is the part 2 or the finale because we ended this one the end. Sound the lesson do makalamas the best so Allah ba benchelo. X. Oh, I saw you next door. And then the highest note. Imagine Cynthia will do that in Sondoma. Belt, okay, fine. The highest note, no wonder can do the Cynthia was highest singing. Was ha 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 ha. Consume naman inipaw ko ang pag-talk. Next, all patsin. Wait, that's Japanese. The middle one, after the longest note in history because I don't want. If David is coming out, I don't want to eat David one. David Phelps, Domo Americano popcorn. My God, longest note challenge. Sase na naman ang down! Ako, Vincero, tapos wala. Akong pang-video kesan Sondoma, wala. Patigda naman ang pagkuhan sa Vincero. Next, pagkuhan siya naman magpautok ha. 905. Jonas Kaufman in the 310 O's. Well, I know it. Alright, here are my top 3 Here are my top 3 longest note. The best of singing voice by singing Sondoma na Vincero na Climax the best. Okay, my top 3 is si Andrea Bocelli. Number 2, we have Luciano Pavarotti. And my favorite, number 1, makanoba sa akong cellphone, is Sarah Brightman. So there you go, my top 3 longest notes in history by singing Sondoma album Vincero Climax the best. Number 3, Bocelli, 2 Pavarotti, in 1 Sarah. So how did she hold the longest, highest notes in history? We are about to talk of one live stream at 5 PM. So after this one, the video came out.